Welcome back to Indoorsy Mom. Today I'm making beef Manakeesh, soft homemade dough topped with flavorful ground beef and melty cheese. Perfect for any time of the day. Let's start. In a large bowl, add 1 cup warm water, 1 tablespoon active dry yeast, and 2 tablespoons sugar. Mix well. Add 1 cup all-purpose flour. Mix until smooth. Cover and let rest for 20 to 30 minutes. After resting, add 2 cups all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons oil, and 1 teaspoon salt. Mix well by hand, about 10 minutes kneading, or in a stand mixer, 5 to 6 minutes. Coat the dough lightly with oil, cover, and rest for another 30 minutes. In a pan, cook 300 grams ground beef until it releases oil and water. Add salt, pepper, cumin, and optional paprika. Stir in strained chopped tomato, onion, and parsley. Cook until liquid evaporates, then cool completely. Divide dough into balls and roll each into a flat circle. Press the center slightly to make space for the filling. Spoon in the beef mixture, brush edges with egg wash. Sprinkle black seeds and top with shredded cheese. Bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes, or until golden. And that's it. Delicious homemade beef Manakish with soft dough, juicy beef, and cheesy goodness. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more delicious creations from my kitchen. See you next time.